Right, so if you see, we are currently running Kubernetes version 1.31, and we are going to upgrade to version 1.32, right? I had to cut the video in between because it was getting too long, so yeah, this is a new video where I started with the cluster Kubernetes version upgrade process. This is the command. These are the flags. You can do again --help and you can check out the flags. We support Kubernetes version upgrade and also OS upgrades, right? I'm just going to do the K8's version upgrade because we are running the latest version of Ubuntu, which is 2404 LTS, right? So I'm not going to do this one, but sure, if you want to do OS upgrade, then you can use that. You can use this flag and specify your new OS version. So yeah, new K8's version 1.32, and yeah, skip PR workflow just to save time. Let's do that. What it's going to do is first upgrade the Kubernetes version in your KubeAid config, and then is going to sync the KubeAid cluster Argo CD app. So the version upgrade will happen in a GitOps native way as well, right? Alright, so it has triggered, so it has made the change first in your KubeAid config, and then it has triggered the version upgrade for the control plane and also for the node group that we have right now. So there are scopes of improvements here. One thing is that we don't wait for the version upgrade to complete. What we can do in the future is trigger version upgrade for the control plane, wait for the version upgrade to finish, and then move on to each of the node groups and wait for each of the node group, right? We can do that. For now, I have just kept this simple. That is one thing. And another thing is we cannot do OS or version upgrade selectively, like just for the control plane or just for a single node group. KubeAid allows us to do that, but yeah, we cannot do it currently using KubeAid Bootstrap Script. Definitely these we can incorporate in the future, right? New nodes should come up. So if we go to our KubeAid config, yeah, so we should see the Kubernetes version has been upgraded. And yeah, the KubeAid cluster Argo CD app is synced. The new nodes should come up in a few minutes, so I will wait until the version upgrade process is complete. Right? Right, I don't know how long it will take for this machine to go up. Okay, yeah, it's done right now. So the cluster upgrade process is complete. I think you might have noticed that the UX isn't the most optimal. It would be really nice to do the upgrade one by one instead of immediately triggering the version upgrade or OS upgrade for all of the node groups and the control plane. We are working on it, so you will have a command to do selectively, select the control plane or a node group specifically and do the upgrade in an automated way. Yeah, so the upgrade process is complete. There's also another scope of improvement, which is that if you check the config file locally, you need to update the version here manually. Same for the machine image, which is this one. If you do an OS upgrade, for now at least, you need to upgrade this one locally as well. Or what you can do is yeah, so you have the general config file backed up here. Yeah, you need to update it here basically, but we are working on the UX. So when you do a Kubernetes version or OS upgrade, then all of these three things should be updated. One is the KubeAid cluster values file, which is this one. This one always gets updated, as you can see, because we follow a GitOps native workflow. But along with this one, your backed up general config file should get updated, and also the one that you have locally, that one should also be synchronized. So this is one scope of improvement that we are working on, so the UX is much better. Yeah, so the cluster upgrade is complete. I'm going to trigger another backup. So the sealed secrets backup is done. I will also, create a Valero backup. Okay, Valero backup is completed. All right, so we have taken a post-upgrade backup. What we can do now is delete this cluster that we have and demonstrate disaster recovery, right? So I'm going to stop recording here, and then start a new video where I will demonstrate disaster recovery.